So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your HP printer. You want to click on it. And then once you find your HP printer, you want to click on printing preferences. Now the printing preferences page is going to look different for everyone. But in your case, you just want to scroll through the tabs. You may have multiple tabs, you just want to scroll through them until you find something like this. It's either going to say black and white and color, or it might be saying grayscale printing or turn off grayscale printing. Something along these lines. Just go through all the tabs that you have till you find color, black and white, or it might be saying grayscale printing for you. You want to make sure that you have color selected instead of black and white. Or if it says grayscale printing for you, make sure that you have the other options selected. So do not have black and white selected and do not have grayscale printing selected. And then click on OK. This should now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then you want to head over to search and type in device manager, click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand print queues. You now want to find your HP printer. Once you find that, you want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, you can go to the HP printer website, type in your printer name, and then get the drivers through there. This should now fix your problem.